Hey, my name is Christina. I'm a mama of four, a labor and delivery nurse, and I like to teach simple makeup to women, especially women who are over 40 or in their late 30s who never knew how to apply makeup before. That was me, and I have found a better way, and I want to teach you guys the best and easiest makeup tips that you can use no matter what kind of brand of makeup you are using. The makeup that I specifically use is called SEINT. It comes in one compact. I teach all about it, and today I'm going to be going over how I created this really pretty eyeshadow look. And if you want any information on the colors or anything, those are going to be down below. Feel free to comment, drop any questions, and let me know other types of content you'd like to see. And if you haven't already, please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. I post shorts all the time. I'm going to be posting weekly Makeover Monday videos where we will go over a simple makeup tip, and this week is Eyeshadow Makeover Monday. All right, let's get started on this gorgeous eyeshadow look. The first thing I'm doing is using a guide. So these little stickers I got on Amazon, they come in a roll and you can use them. They're scar sheets, but you can use them on your face to help with wrinkles. So if you have little crow's feet, it's nice because this does not only serve as a guide, but it also works on those crow's feet, which is super nice. Started with a wash of Paris. You always want to prime, so that's the light matte shade. Here's your formula. You're going to have a light matte shade, a deep matte shade, which I'm going in right now with a color called Revival, this really pretty burgundy type tone. And this is part of the formula. So you have a light matte, deep matte, and either a medium or deep range shimmer, and a light shimmer. So now I'm gonna go in on the inner corner of my eyelid, and I'm creating a halo eye. So those are the two deepest shades on the outside, and then you bring in and put the little bright light in the middle. So this is my medium shimmer, Ginger. I'm tapping that in on the middle. I love this color, especially for fall. It is almost like the perfect pumpkin spice color. Now I'm going in with a shade called Drift and just kind of brightening the inner corner of my eye right under my brow bone. And then I'm gonna blend just a little bit more. That brush that I'm using here is the Demi Spot brush. The brush that I was using before, is the smudge brush. And pretty much any type of eyeshadow brush that you wanna use, you wanna make sure that you have both a blunt end and an end to blend. Right now I took a little bit of my e.l.f. gel primer and I stuck that in the Revival, again, that eyeshadow color, just to kind of do like a little bit of an eyeliner and tie everything in together, really clean up those lines. And I really like how it gives my eye a little bit more coverage. So I have really tiny eyes. So in order to make them look bigger, I gotta kind of draw them up and out. So try that if your eyes appear small. And now I'm taking off that guide. I know that looked painful, but I promise you it wasn't. Adding a little bit more liner and then just touching up. And then I do believe I'm going to go, I don't know if I show it on the film, but I do definitely go underneath and kind of fill in as a tight line on my bottom lid. I'm dipping in a little bit more of that Drift. Now I'm taking this, you guys, oh my goodness, if you have not tried doll paint, you need to get your booty on it because it is amazing. This isn't a brown eyeliner, but it really, it goes on so well and is so fun to do your brows with. Any eyeshadow look, try practicing by filling in your brows each time you do your eyeshadow. It really helps tie everything together. I am by no means did I just say fill in your eyeshadow? I don't remember. I am not an eyebrow expert, but I'm telling you, if you just practice and learn your eyebrow shape, you will fall in love with your eye makeup so much more. Finishing with some Arbonne mascara. If you guys need a rep, I have a friend. I am not an Arbonne rep, but I really love their mascara and their fizzes and all sorts of other fun things. And now, what is the last thing I'm gonna do? Oh, here, see, I'm gonna show you that tight line on my bottom lash line. And the rest of my makeup, so I already have half a face of makeup on my right side of my face, so I've got to finish that on my left side. And this palette, so the palette that holds my eyeshadow also holds all of my foundation. And you'll see at the end here, once I'm finished touching everything up, you'll see my makeup completely on, my complete face. It's all color matched to my skin. I can do that same thing for you. So if you are looking for an easier routine and a place where you can put your foundation and your eyeshadow all in one compact, I can totally help you with that. So you see here, I finished my makeup. Everything is done. And I hope you love the tutorial.